isn't he?
I know. He's like,
like
I got this. I'm going to still deliver the message there.
Love it.
Delivering some wet, yes, for sure. This wet weather, Lainey, pretty intense.
Oh, right.
I mean, across the board. Then gray, cloudy skies and the wind today.
Yeah, I know. We've got changes for sure, but I've got dry conditions in the forecast for this week. So I think a lot of folks are going to enjoy the fact that we've got several sunny days in a row. They're going to be chilly though. You know, out there today we had the gray skies. Yeah, it looked like it could rain just about any time, right? It wasn't terribly cool though. When you look out there at it, you think, oh, it's got to be freezing as well. But no, the temperatures were mild, close to 70 degrees. Now the temps are going to be dropping as those winds come up, bringing in some colder air. We've got frost and freeze conditions in the midweek forecast. It won't last too long because by the end of the week, the temperatures do get a little closer to normal and even a little bit above normal into the 60s. But look at what is ahead here in the next few days. 32 for Wednesday morning, 30 for Thursday morning. Our average low is close to 40. Our highs will only be in the 50s for most of this week. Our normal high is about 61 degrees. Out there this afternoon, we did make it to 71. No, it's not record setting, but it is warm for November. Look at our temperatures right now. We've got 50s and 60s across the area. So you've got 68 in Greensboro, got 69 right now in Asheboro, and we do have that front coming in. It will come through mainly dry, but with a lot of wind. We do have some cloud cover with this, not really anticipating much in the way of rain, but the winds have come up ahead of the front out of the southwest at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. And then behind the front, they're going to be strong too out of the west and northwest. Wind gusts averaging about 20-25 miles an hour across the triad. They have been higher at times in the mountains. And as the cold air comes in, we'll look for these winds to stay up through at least noon tomorrow. Our highest wind gusts in Galax and Jefferson were just about 40 miles an hour. We do have that wind advisory for Carroll, for Grayson, Allegheny, Ashe, and Watauga counties. That is for wind gusts that could get close to 45-50 miles an hour between now and lunchtime tomorrow. So if you've got some loose objects out there, trash cans, lawn furniture, you want to go ahead and make sure they are in a place where they will not blow around. Also, if you have to do any driving in a high-profile vehicle, that could be a problem for you. Could have some downed tree limbs, might have some spotty power outages as this colder air is going to be coming in. Look still though at the river flood warnings that are across the eastern part of the state. Thankfully for us, we have seen the waters recede in all of our rivers with major flooding though across the area over the last several days. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. It's not going to be real warm. We've got a high of about 59, which is a little bit below normal. It is going to be breezy with a northwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Foothill forecast starts at 38 and gets to about 57 tomorrow afternoon. It's dry, it's sunny, but it is brisk with that wind also up. The winds will be strongest in the mountains, 15 to 35 miles an hour with gusts 45 to 50 through at least noon tomorrow. And we'll see temperatures only in the 40s. So that means your feels like temps are in the 20s and 30s for most of the day in the mountains. You see, of course, that cooler air across the area. And it's going to stay rather chilly because we got another front dipping in here so that by Wednesday morning, we've got frosty conditions. Wednesday afternoon is chilly. Thursday morning, we're also concerned about some frost. And then by Thursday afternoon into the weekend, we are going to start to warm up just a little bit with some highs that are going to be in the 60s. And we are anticipating into next week, Thanksgiving even, a couple of weeks out, warmer than normal temperatures are expected across much of the nation. Here's your 7-day forecast. It does warm up some by Friday and Saturday. Thanks, Lainey. Still